The origins of ancient knowledge systems can be traced back to a time when humanity first began to question the universe, as evidenced by early manuscripts such as the Rigveda, c. 1500 to 1200 BCE. What drove our ancestors to seek understanding, and how does this quest continue to shape our world today? The answer lies in the convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science. Mesopotamia, often referred to as the Cradle of Civilization, was home to the Sumerians, who developed one of the earliest known writing systems, cuneiform, around 3200 BCE. This innovation allowed them to record and transmit knowledge across generations. But what other advancements did they achieve, and how did they compare to our modern methods of knowledge preservation? The next scene will explore the pyramids of knowledge. The pyramid texts, inscribed in the pyramids of ancient Egypt around 2400 to 2300 BCE, contain spells and incantations that reflect a deep understanding of the afterlife and the cosmos. These texts are not just religious documents, they are a testament to the Egyptians' quest for knowledge and their attempts to understand the universe. How do these ancient texts compare to modern scientific explorations of the cosmos? The next scene will delve into the philosophical roots. The works of ancient Greek philosophers like Plato and Aristotle, particularly those documented in the 4th century BCE, laid the foundational principles of Western philosophy and science. Their inquiries into the nature of reality, ethics, and knowledge have shaped Western thought for millennia. But how do these ancient philosophical questions resonate with modern scientific inquiries? The next scene will explore the digital age. In the 21st century, the Internet has revolutionized the way we access and share knowledge, akin to how the invention of the printing press in the 15th century democratized information. The digital age has made knowledge more accessible than ever before, but it has also raised new questions about the nature of information and its impact on society. How does the digital age compare to the ancient methods of knowledge transmission? The next scene will explore artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, today, as explored by researchers such as Geoffrey Hinton in the 21st century, is reminiscent of the early philosophical inquiries into the nature of the mind and consciousness. AI challenges us to reconsider what it means to be intelligent and conscious, echoing the ancient philosophical questions about the nature of the mind. How do these ancient and modern inquiries intersect? The next scene will explore space exploration. Space exploration in the modern era, particularly the Mars rover mission starting in the late 20th century, mirrors ancient civilizations' quest to understand the universe and their place within it. The Mars rovers have provided us with unprecedented insights into the Red Planet, much like how ancient explorers sought to chart the unknown. What can we learn from these parallel quests? The next scene will explore the Information Superhighway. The concept of the Information Superhighway, popularized by Kevin Kelly in the 1990s, parallels the ancient Silk Road, which facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and knowledge across continents. Both represent a network of connections that enable the flow of information and ideas. How do these ancient and modern networks compare? The next scene will explore the convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science. The convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science is evident in the way quantum mechanics, as explained by physicists like Werner Heisenberg in the 1920s, echoes the philosophical musings of ancient thinkers. Quantum mechanics challenges our understanding of reality, much like how ancient philosophies question the nature of existence. How do these ancient and modern perspectives intersect? The next scene will explore bridging cultures and time. The integration of ancient knowledge systems with contemporary practices, such as the use of herbal medicine, demonstrates a continuity of wisdom that spans millennia, as highlighted by ethnobotanist Richard Evans Schultz in the 20th century. Herbal medicine has been used for thousands of years to treat various ailments, and modern research is now validating many of these ancient practices. What can we learn from this continuity of wisdom? The next scene will explore the universal language of knowledge. The universal language of knowledge, whether in the form of mathematics, as discovered by ancient civilizations, or in the form of modern algorithms, underscores the shared human quest for understanding, as noted by mathematician Euclid in the 3rd century BCE. Mathematics has been a constant throughout human history, providing a common language for expressing complex ideas. How does this universal language bridge ancient and modern knowledge? The next scene will explore the future of knowledge. The future of knowledge lies in the synthesis of ancient insights and modern innovations, potentially leading to breakthroughs in fields such as medicine and technology, as suggested by futurist Ray Kurzweil in the 21st century. By combining the wisdom of the past with the advancements of the present, we can unlock new possibilities for the future. What might these breakthroughs look like? The next scene will explore the ethical dimensions. As we advance in our understanding, the ethical dimensions of knowledge, particularly in the realm of AI and genetic engineering, must be carefully considered, as emphasized by ethicist Peter Singer in contemporary discourse. The power of knowledge comes with great responsibility, and we must navigate these ethical challenges thoughtfully. What ethical considerations arise as we advance our knowledge? The next scene will explore the eternal quest. The quest for knowledge is an eternal journey, one that has driven humanity from the earliest civilizations to the modern era, and will continue to shape our future. As we stand on the shoulders of giants, both ancient and modern, we must continue to ask questions, seek understanding, and navigate the ethical dimensions of our knowledge. What will the next chapter of this eternal quest bring?